Hello friends, welcome to my channel MEP Practical Knowledge. Today in this video we will discuss MEP Project Engineer roles and responsibilities. What are the major roles of MEP Project Engineer? We will discuss in brief, and further in our upcoming videos we will discuss in more details regarding MEP Project Engineer roles and responsibility. So let's start. Now let's discuss MEP Project Engineer. Roles and responsibilities. Project engineer will be the project supervision. Now let's discuss what comes under project supervision's roles and responsibilities. Today we will discuss only 20 major roles and responsibility of MEP Project Engineer. Today in this video, just I will give the brief of 20 points. What are the 20 major points for roles and responsibility of project engineer? In our upcoming videos, we will discuss these 20 points in detail. Now let's make a brief for 20 points. Number 1, we have technical contract document. Technical contract document. Number 2, technical specification. And number 3, technical submittal. And number 4, office correspondence. Number 5, files or documents management. And number 6, client consultant and contractor interaction. Number 7, project meetings. Number 8, project drawings. Number 9, material inspection. Number 10, staff handling. And Number 11, installation with methodology. Number 12, quality control. Number 13, safety. Number 14, measurements, or we can say as quantity works. Number 15, billing work. Number 16, review and response on claims. Number 17, testing, adjusting, balancing and commissioning. Now number 18, snag list, or this also said as punch list. Number 19, close out documents. And number 20, hand over, you can say taking over. These are the major 20 responsibility of MEP project engineer. Let's see from beginning. Number 1, technical contract document. Number 2, technical specification. Number 3, technical submittal. Number 4, office correspondence. Number 5, files or documents management. Number 6, client or consultant and contractor interaction. Number 7, project meetings. Number 8, project drawings. Number 9, material inspection. Number 10, staff handling. Number 11, installation with methodology. Number 12, quality control. Number 13, safety. Number 14, measurements, or we can say quantity work. Number 15, billing work. Number 16, review and response on claims. Number 17, testing, adjusting, balancing and commissioning. Number 18, snag list, or we can say punch list. Number 19, close out documents. And number 20, handover or taking over of the project. Now let's discuss MEP project engineer roles and responsibility. What is MEP engineer? MEP engineer is professional designation responsible for planning and design in the field of mechanical, electrical and plumbing MEP practice, including developing policies, standards, inspection procedure and evaluation tools for MEP concern, along with preparing, reviewing drawing, specification and cost estimates for the mechanical, electrical and plumbing. We have discussed the MEP engineer roles and responsibility within the construction company. MEP engineer roles and responsibilities. Working as part of the project management team, reporting to the project director. MEP engineer is responsible for all aspects of the project relating to building services. The MEP engineer job description includes the management of the MEP engineering team to ensure that the day-to-day duties are performed professionally and expeditiously to support the project's ongoing progress. The MEP team on site consists of the lead mechanical MEP engineer, electrical engineer, and MEP inspectors. Principal duties to be performed by MEP engineer. The following are the significant roles and responsibilities of MEP engineer. HVAC expert, electrical power and lighting, fire alarm expertise, energy management, plumbing, attention to details, responsive in nature. General roles and responsibility of MEP engineer. MEP engineer has to review plans and specification according to the plan. MEP engineer has to manage to oversee the work of subordinate staff contact engineer. MEP engineer has to prepare plans, details, specified and cost estimated of plumbing, HVAC and general piping system. MEP engineer has to provide technical advice to staff, designer, supervisor, inspector and contracting service provider regarding installation and maintenance of MEP system. MEP system has to analyze mechanical, electrical and plumbing engineering problems and formulate solution. MEP engineer has to identify problems in the design, planning, manage and delivering multiple projects. MEP engineer has to plan, organize the review and evaluate the work of consultants, contractors and others. MEP engineer knows MS Office, AutoCAD and construction project management software. MEP engineer has to prepare and deliver effective oral presentations whenever required. Advise the project director of any technical aspects of the mechanical services that may affect construction progress, example, quality or snag. Continually review the contractor's construction schedule during the progress of the site works regarding MEP services and report to the project director on the same. Manage the day-to-day work of the MEP team. In conjunction with the document controller, ensure that the filling or logging of the MEP documentation is undertaken in line with the project handbook and continually monitor the same. Advise on all issues regarding lead and ensure that the appropriate documentations and information is provided to the proper authorities to obtain the lead standard required on the project. Take part in risk workshops and report any risk associated with MEP installation or general projects to the project director. Review the contractor's installation method statements. Review contractor's shop drawing against the design tender drawings for compliance with the design intent and return to project director with appropriate comments. Approval within the specified contractual period, usually 10 working days. Review contractor's mechanical shop drawing in conjunction with the structural and electrical engineers to ensure engineering coordination and advise the project director accordingly. Where required, prepare technical clarification to the tender design to suit specific on-site construction and coordination issues. Review contractors' mechanical services material proposals against specified technical performance requirement and advise the project director on the appropriateness of the recommendations. Review contractors' proposed subcontractors associated with the engineering works from a technical standpoint. Undertake general project site observation inspection of the mechanical services works for contractors, adhere to the approved shop drawings and consultants specification, good working practice and construction schedule. Monitor and promote health and safety on the site. Record and report any breaches to the project manager. If required, stop the construction works if unsafe practices are being followed. Be available to undertake off-site inspections of proposed equipment and materials as may be deemed necessary by the project manager. Undertake a prior review of the contractor's proposal, mechanical system testing and commissioning methods and schedule. MEP engineer roles and responsibilities. Witness on-site pipe system pressure test, air conditioning, duct leakages testing and other testing that may be required during the first fix works and advise the project director accordingly. On a spot basis, witness mechanical system final testing and commissioning. Review and comment on the contractor's testing and commissioning result and advise the project director accordingly. Maintain an ongoing list of mechanical services defects for the contractor's remedial action. Undertake final project snagging and prepare a list of defects for the contractor's action. Attend project site progress and any mechanical services related technical meetings directed by the project manager. Prepare draft site or engineer's instructions relating to the mechanical building services as required and issue to the project manager. Provide advice to the project director regarding any mechanical services related to variable costs that the contractor may claim during the works. Review and comment on the contractor's operation and maintenance manual. The above are the critical MEP engineer's roles and responsibilities. These are the roles and responsibility of MEP engineer. So guys, these are the MEP project engineer roles and responsibility. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss in detail the project engineer roles and responsibility, which we discuss 20 major points. We will discuss in detail in our upcoming videos. So guys, if you like our videos, kindly like, share, subscribe.